So good evening, ladies. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this most powerful show, Women Power Global Movement, run in 20 countries around the world. With a mission of 1 million women on this platform by 2024, irrespective of the caste, color, creed, nationality, and religion. Ladies and gentlemen, this movement is a brainchild of one and only D.K. Bakshi, well-known global leadership personality who, along with his mentor, Dr. Kiran Bedi, Women of Excellence and Women of Excellence, started this movement more than 16 months back. It is a fact that since that day, not a single Saturday has been missed out to conduct this program, and people around the world support this religiously. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Manisha Sharma. I come from education excellence field with over 15 to 20 years of experience in education, CII, Department of Training and Technical Education, scholastic, selling, skilling. That's what I've been doing. And I'm very, very passionate about this women power movement. Being a woman myself, as the host for this evening show, and along with me is my co-host Varsha, who works for Global Talent with DK Bakshi. Both of us would have our jugalbandi of English and Hindi with our guest of honor today. Ladies and gentlemen, today our guest of honor is one of our Thai Indian powerful lady called Aruni Bagga. She's born in Thailand and belongs to Thai Indian family, a beautiful, beautiful personality of Thai Indian community who has really made a mark not only in Thailand, also in neighboring countries, and of course, India and Bollywood. When I look at her profile, wow, she is really someone we all admire. And today she's going to even share some beautiful songs from Bollywood to Thailand to Gurbani, etc. Welcome, Aruni, to this powerful show.
Thank you so much, Panisha ji. Namaskar. And thank you, Varsha ji. Namaskar. और सभी
बहुत स्वागत है अरुणी जी आपका.
Thank you. सभी दर्शकों को मेरा नमस्कार और बहुत प्यार सभी को.
So, Aruni, I know this is a beautiful evening and you made it more beautiful.
Thank you. We all are making it beautiful. We women.
The Nightingale of Thailand. Wow, what a powerful title you have got. So many features and feathers in your cap. Tell us about your journey right from your childhood till you won Saregama-pa. What inspired you to follow your soul's calling?
True. First of all, this title of Nightingale of Thailand is I'm really, मैं बहुत छोटी आर्टिस्ट हूँ. I don't deserve it, but ये डॉक्टर बख्शी का बड़प्पन है, उनका प्यार है जो मुझे उन्होंने दिया है ये खिताब Nightingale, and I hope I can live up to it. एक आर्टिस्ट को कोई टाइटल जो देता है वो ऑडियंस देता है, पब्लिक देता है. आर्टिस्ट खुद कुछ नहीं कर सकता अपने आप से. It's all love from the audience and the public and your fans. So thank you everyone. Thank you Dr. Bakshi especially for this. And so about my journey, I'm a Thai Indian born and brought up in Thailand into a very musical family. My father, my grandfather, great-grandfather were all fond of Indian classical music. And they were in close company with Padam Bhushan Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab's family. Oh, wow. At one time. Yeah. So बहुत अच्छे उस्तादों से सुनते थे, सीखते थे, शौक से. और वो that music runs in my blood, obviously. And बचपन में, you know, although we were living in northeast of Thailand, a city called Khon Kaen, but our way of living is very much Indian. And घर में दिन भर गाना बजता था. My dad used to listen to Indian classical music, ghazals, Ghulam Ali Khan Saab, Mehndi Hasan Saab, or Jagjit Singh, Chitra Singh ji, you know, all these were being played in the house. And my brother used to listen to ghazals. My elder sister is a great fan of Bollywood music. or other sister used to listen to Western, Thai. So I, being the youngest in the family, got exposed to all genres of music. And
Lucky.
like a sponge, I absorbed everything inside me. Yeah.
Okay.
So when my parents saw the talent in me,
Okay.
they made me learn. First, they made me learn Gurbani Sangeet,
Okay.
Gurbani Kirtan, and that's how I got to learn and participated in all the activities in the Gurdwara. And
It's common between us, Arune. I used to sing Gurbani when I was young.
oh
Yeah.
wow, let's hear it from you then.
From you today first.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
your show.
sure. Yeah. And
Yeah.
yeah, and unfortunately, I lost my father at a very tender age of 12. And so we moved to Bangkok from Khon Kaen. And my mother, since then, my mother has been the driving force to make me follow my father's footsteps in music. So yeah, then she sent me to learn classical from my uncle, my dad's best friend, Shri
Mhm.
Jagdish Singh Ji Azad. And I
Mhm.
was side by side, I was guided by Mr. Dalbir Singh in school also. Yeah,
Oh wow.
yeah. And then another chapter of my life started when I got married.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, of course, my music was put on hold for a few years as
Uh-huh.
I had to fulfill my duties towards my family, raise my two beautiful children.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But amidst all this, the passion of music inside me never died. The fire always kept burning, that I want to do
I
something.
think there's a lot of women should learn from you, right? We
I hope
generally don't follow our dreams.
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
when our children started growing up, I started learning classical again. At that
Uh-huh.
time, Indian Women's Club in Thailand, they had arranged qualified teachers from Mumbai to teach us here in Bangkok. So we didn't
Okay.
have to go all the way to Mumbai to learn. We were so
Okay.
fortunate. Yeah, thanks to Indian
Okay.
Women's Club, of course. And
Yeah.
yeah, so I really got a received a great deal of knowledge from Archana Kanhare ji, Guru Archana ji, and Pandita Shubhada Pararkar. So they really
Fantabulous.
guided me. Yeah. And then later on, I came under the guidance of Mr. Bobby Rishi ji. Yeah. And in year 1995, there was an audition here about Saregama, and Sonu Nigamji himself came. He had a concert, and he was the host and the judge himself.
Right.
And yeah, and just like that, maybe he saw something in me and picked me as the first.
It's not just like that, my dear. That's a great achievement. I mean,
Yeah,
in a country with such a huge population, and there too, one of our stars shining in Thailand
thank
makes
you,
us all
thank you.
feel so proud, right?
Ji, ji,
And
thank
I
you.
would even go to the extent of saying that I think the clouds have been waiting here for you. It has been raining badly in Delhi. You
Oh,
sing, huh?
wow, it's blessings from the above.
Oh, blessings from the above. Absolutely,
I look it
absolutely.
that way.
Yes, yes,
Ji.
yes. So, if we could have our co-host Varsha ma'am to continue with the
यस
discussion.
वेलकम अरुणी जी। अरुणी जी, आपने
Thank you,
अभी
Ji.
बताया कि आपने 1995 में सारेगामा मतलब विनर रही हैं, जिसको
Ji,
जिसका शो मतलब सोनू निगम जी ने कंडक्ट किया था, होस्ट भी किया था। इसके
ji.
साथ आप स्टार वॉइस ऑफ इंडिया की भी विनर रही हैं थाईलैंड में। एंड 2008 मुंबई में आपने थाईलैंड का प्रतिनिधित्व किया है एक गेस्ट परफॉर्मर के रूप में, और आज
Ji.
आप एक शानदार सिंगर हैं। तो मैं आपसे आपके गायकी के सफर के बारे में बात करना चाहूंगी, तो जरा हमें
जी
बताएं
जी
कि पूरा डिटेल में।
जी 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 बस जैसे मैंने आपके पहले बताया कि आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग क्लासिकल अगेन फ्रॉम the IWC who arrange teachers, and one fine day, I got this message that okay, there's an audition for VOI, वॉइस ऑफ इंडिया सीजन 2। उस टाइम शान होस्ट कर रहे थे, और जजेस जो थे वो सुखविंदर सिंह जी, मोंटी शर्मा जी, इस्माइल दरबार थे। बहुत साल पहले की बात थी, but it was really something like grand, and we used to watch at home. अभी हर हफ्ते वो आता था तो हम लोग प्रोग्राम देखते थे, and you know, and my elder sister used to tell me, मैं ना तुमको वहां देखना चाहती हूँ अरुणी, you should go there. And I said, I don't know, I just ठीक है, हो गया, एक दफा कर लिया सारे गामा, what for now, I am okay. No, give it a try. And I did, and so I won the audition and stood the first prize. और वहाँ पे मुंबई में गेस्ट अपीयरेंस मुझे मतलब बुलाया गया. इन वन ऑफ द एपिसोड्स आर.डी. बर्मन जी का एपिसोड था वो जी. और बस बहुत प्यार मिला लोगों से, और जजेस के बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिला. सुखविंदर जी गिव मी अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन, एंड दैट वाज रियली मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ.
Congratulations.
जी, thank you.
So, Manisha ji? Manisha?
Yes. Yes, I was just trying to fix my backdrop. So I'm as bindas as DJ. You know, I'm just trying to move, and I all gone pink now, right? I don't know if I'm visible or no, but I'll still try and keep focused on our discussion while I keep moving and juggling with the location and trying to see the backdrop comes, right? Okay, focusing on our questions, Aruni. You are a versatile classical artist. You know, immersed yourself into other genres of music, such as Gurbani, Kirtan, Ghazals, Bollywood, Sufi. You've sung Vade Mere Saiba, which was a debut Kirtan album, followed by a Ghazal album. From Kirtan to Ghazal, what made you expand your range across genres? And we would also be delighted to have your views on this. And we are also anxious to get into some Kirtan from you to begin with. Your choice and your time.
Definitely. That would be my honor. My first debut album, of course, as I've mentioned before, that I started learning Gurumukh Sangeet at first, you know, when I started learning music. So that is my root, of course. And I met with my very dear friend from Malaysia, Baldev Singh Ji, and he really loved my voice, and he said, you should make an album of your own. And yeah, so we did, and he produced the album for me, Vade Mere Saiba. And yes, I would sing one Shabad from that album, if you would allow me to.
Oh, please.
Just a moment.
Let us all cover our heads and...
जी. It must have.
Yes.
जाका नानक पूरा पाया, नानक पूरा पाया, पूरे के गुण गाओ, पूरा प्रभु आराध्या, पूरा प्रभु आराध्या. जी, तो ये था one of the shabads in the album, and it is actually my very first composition, which was blessed by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The very first composition of my own, this shabad was. आपकी आवाज आ रही है?
अरुणी जी, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कम आ रही है.
जी.
It's very low, but it's there.
Yeah. एक बार आप अपना स्पीकर चेक कर लीजिए कितना स्पीकर ऑन है. सिस्टम का.
I finally come back to my own space. I was looking weird, Aruni. I was looking pink and blue, and then again suddenly white. In trying to adjust the backdrop. Thank you so much for the Shabad, Aruni. And I understand that you have been in composition also. So is this the only composition that you have made, Aruni, or you have composed other songs as well?
Increase the volume. No, this is fine, but this is not. Hello, Manisha
Yeah,
ji?
Aruni, can you hear us? No.
अब आ रही है?
Yes, we can hear you, but can you hear us?
Yeah, now I
Yes?
can. So sorry
Okay.
for that technical
No, that's
problem.
perfectly fine. We are conducting this webinar across countries.
Ji.
Yeah. Yes.
Ji.
So I was asking, is this the only composition you made, or you have been involved in composing music as well?
I have been, and this was the very first that it's just a blessing. It just came to me. And yeah, I said, oh, let's record this, in the album.
Right.
And from then
Right.
on, the passion of composing and, creating my own stuff started
Right.
since
Right.
then. And I have
Right.
composed a few more with my guru's blessings, of course, and I have released on my YouTube channel as well. So you
Oh,
can,
that's great. That's
yeah,
great.
you
That's
follow
great.
me on that.
That's great. That's great. We'll surely do that. Over to
And now
Varsha.
the next, Ji, Varsha
Yes.
ji.
नहीं आप कुछ
The
बता रहे थे
next
बताइए
album,
You were
yeah,
saying something, Aruni.
yeah. And from then on, I did a ghazal album. As I told you earlier that I was under the guidance of Mr. Bobby Rishi ji, who is still guiding me now, my guru. His guru, Pandit Vishwa Prakash ji, came from UK with the intention of making Bobby Rishi ji's ghazal album, solo album. And but then when Guruji heard me and he changed his mind, he said, oh, let's do a duet ghazal album, and I said, okay, but आप क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़े गुरु हैं, he is a great guru of कथक जयपुर घराना, और उनकी composition is like rare gems, it's so difficult to sing. सुनने में आसान है पर गाने में बहुत ही मुश्किल है. तो I was really like nervous. I said, could I sing it? Like, would I be able to justify? And Guruji just blessed me. No, let's do it. And so I learned. I took few months time to learn, and we recorded here in Bangkok. Ibtada is the ghazal album's name. Ibtada, the beginning. It was the very first ever ghazal album to be recorded and released in Thailand.
Oh, wow.
And under the patronage of the Indian Embassy. Mr. Anil Wadhwa was very kind to honor us there at the evening or launch evening. Yeah. So, उसके composer of course पंडित विश्व प्रकाश जी हैं, तो उसकी एक गजल मैं आपको सुनाना चाहूंगी.
Please, please.
जिस दिन से जुदा वो हमसे हुए, जिस दिन से जुदा वो हमसे हुए, इस दिल ने धड़कना छोड़ दिया है, चांद का मुंह उतरा उतरा, तारों ने चमकना छोड़ दिया, जिस दिन से जुदा वो हमसे हुए, जिस दिन से जुदा वो हमसे हुए. तो ये थी एक बहुत ही प्यारी खूबसूरत गजल.
बहुत ही
और
प्यारी.
ये भी थैंक यू, ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, आप जाके वहाँ पे सुन सकते हैं. सारी गजलें बहुत ही अच्छी हैं, गुरुजी ने इतना प्यार से कंपोज किया. और व्हेन आफ्टर आई डिड माय रिकॉर्डिंग, आई आस्क्ड गुरुजी, पंडित जी, that you know, did I justify your composition? क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल था. अरे गुड्डी, तुमने तो बहुत अच्छा गाई, and you did more than I had expected. और उन्होंने मुझे ये बात कही कि एक दिन जब तुम स्टार बन जाओगी ना तो मुझे भूलना मत. एंड मैंने कहा ओके, लेट्स सी. एंड तो उन्होंने, मतलब इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर मी. एंड उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि व्हाई डोंट यू टेक म्यूजिक एज अ प्रोफेशन, मेक इट योर करियर. क्योंकि तब तक तो मैं उसको शौक से गाती थी, म्यूजिक को अपना पैशन की तरह लेती थी, ना करियर नहीं बनाया मैं उसने. और एंड देन यू नो आफ्टर गुरुजी's you know words, slowly I had more confidence in myself कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. And then I gave another try with Guruji's nephew Rajiv K. Mahavir, a son of Pandit K. Mahavir ji, and we did a Sufi album together, The Sound of Sufi. It was launched in Mumbai by Times Music, and उस album में जावेद अली साहब ने भी गाया है as a guest singer. और बहुत सेलिब्रिटीज आए लॉन्च पे. रूप कुमार राठौड़ जी थे, जी उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन के भाई थे फजल कुरैशी जी, और बहुत शिवा मनी जी, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बॉलीवुड के जब जो सब सेलिब्रिटीज हैं वो मौजूद थे वहाँ पे. तो बहुत ही एक यादगार इवनिंग था मेरे लिए. तो तब से मेरा कैरियर शुरू हुआ. जी
अरुण जी, आपने बैंकॉक में सिम्फनी ऑर्केस्ट्रा में अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, जो कि शरदाद रोहानी जी के थ्रू कंडक्ट हुआ था. इसके बारे में बताएं. इसके साथ ही अभी आपने शब्द सुनाया, अभी आपने गजल सुनाई. अब मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप अपनी मधुर आवाज में कोई प्यारा गीत सुनाएं.
जरूर जरूर. अपनी एल्बम में से मैं सुनाती हूँ आपको द साउंड ऑफ सूफी.
हाँ जी, हाँ
बहुत
जी.
ही प्यारा सूदिंग गीत है. तू मेरा जहां, मेरा खुदा है तू. तू मेरा जहां, मेरा खुदा है तू. तू मेरी मंजिल, मेरा पता है तू. तू मेरा जहां, मेरा खुदा है तू. तू मेरा जहां, मेरा पता है तू. तुझ में हूँ मैं और मुझ में है तू. तुझ में हूँ मैं और मुझ में है तू. खुद को खोकर तुझको पाऊं, मुझ में रचा है तू. कैसी सजाई दुनिया, सुबह तू शाम तू. कैसी रचाई दुनिया, सुबह तू शाम तू. तू मेरी मंजिल, मेरा पता है तू. तू मेरा जहां, मेरा पता है तू.
Wow.
बहुत ही मेरा पसंदीदा गीत है जो उस एल्बम में
People
है.
people pay to listen you sing, and we are so blessed. We are hearing you here on a webinar along with the audience, Aruni.
Thank you.
What a
Thank you.
fabulous voice, and I am very sure that the Nightingale of Thailand is the correct title for you.
Thank you.
Such a sweet voice you have, and you have such a range. You can sing ghazals, you can sing Gurbani, you can sing Sufi, you can sing Bollywood songs. Fantabulous. Blessed it is today's evening, 21st of August 2021. Wow. Okay, so this is really something we all Indians and Thai feel proud of. Most respected King of Thailand, the feather in your cap was HM King Bhumibol Atul Yadev's composition in a Thai movie, which was a New Year's gift released in December 2016. You also sang a Hindi song in the film and acted in a cameo role. Now, please share this beautiful part of your life journey, you know, because it's a fantastic shift from singing at the back end and coming in front of the camera suddenly, you know, and we would also be happy to have that song from you on this show.
Definitely. Again, I would go back to my guru's words. You know, from then on, I in 16, sorry, 2016, I had a chance to meet with Ustad Zakir Hussain ji in Mumbai, and वो सभी का ही सपना होता है कि उस्ताद जी से मिले, उनसे आशीर्वाद लें, और उनका आशीर्वाद मेरे पर ऐसा ही काम किया कि बस सिंगिंग से मैं एक्टिंग करने लगी. ये उनका आशीर्वाद था. तो उन्होंने जब when I met him, he put his hand on my head. He put his hand on my head and blessed me. You're a star in the making, Aruni. And I was like, wow, this is really a sheer blessing from me. And you know, you believe it or not, after that 3 months, I got a call from the production house, Thai film production house. You know, we saw you on YouTube singing this thing, and you know, we want to you to be a part of this film. You know, our Thailand's late Rama Nain King was very expert in music himself. He used to compose many genres of music, jazz, blues, and whatnot. So yeah, I got an honor to render his composition in the film and acted in a cameo role. And you know, there's one song, the Thai folk song, which they asked me to write a Hindi lyrics and sang it in Hindi version. So that was really something interesting. Yes, yes.
Okay.
जैसे राजस्थान में आप जाएंगे तो वो केसरिया बालम उनका सिग्नेचर सॉन्ग होता है ना. तो ये जो थाई फोक सॉन्ग है वो मेरे सिटी का सॉन्ग है, मतलब द सिटी वेयर आई ग्रू अप.
Punjabi भी है पुलिशा. Yes.
Something like that. And yeah, I'll sing that 2 lines for you right now.
Oh, please.
Okay. น้องเป็นสาวขอนแก่นยังบ่เคยมีแฟนบ้านอยู่แดนอีสานน้องเป็นสาววัยอ่อนได้แต่นอนแต่แข้งยามเมื่อแลงฝันหวานจะมีชายใดละไผเดต้องการจะมีชายใดละไผเดต้องการไม้ปองน้องนั้นแม่ต้องการจะคอยअब इसके ऊपर हिंदी कैसे बनाया.
I could not understand a single word, but it sounded so sweet, Aruni. It sounded so sweet. I'm sure, you know, the kids would fall asleep listening to that melody of yours. Huh?
अब आप इसके हिंदी वर्जन सुनिए.
Right.
लड़की हूँ मैं मुंबई की ना कोई हम सफर देश मेरा हिंदुस्तान. कच्ची कली हूँ मैं ख्वाबों की दुनिया में रहती हूँ दिन और रात. चाहेगा कौन दिल से मुझे पकड़ के हाथ जो साथ चले कब आएगा करूँ मैं इंतजार. करती हूँ सुबह शाम दफ्तर में दिन भर काम तन्हा हूँ जब हो रात. कब आएगा मेरे सपनों का राजकुमार दिल को लगे जो खास. थोड़ा सा प्यार दे दे जरा थोड़ी सी मुझ पे रहम तो खा खुशियों से भर जाए दिल मेरा. Something like that.
Wow. It's such a motivation, you know. I see the youth of today getting demotivated and learning another language, which is English. Huh? So they keep saying, what, we only know Hindi, English is such a tough language and blah, blah, and all that. But with you being an Indian, learning Thai, learning how to speak with the correct pronunciation, you're speaking in Hindi fluently, you're speaking in English fluently, you're speaking in Thai, singing in Thai. What a fantabulous encouragement and motivation for even those who give up on learning languages. Yeah. So fantabulous, Aruni.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Aruni, all said. I think now Varsha is ready with her firing of question.
आरुणि जी, आप वाकई में एक प्रतिभाशाली कलाकार हैं। एक तरफ सिंगिंग, एक तरफ एक्टिंग। तो आपने अभी 2019 में एक शॉर्ट म्यूजिकल फिल्म कैक पाई क्राइमा, जिसमें कि मतलब थाईलैंड में इंडियंस की लाइफ को मतलब दिखाया गया है। तो इसके बारे में आपका कैसा अनुभव है, वो आप अनुभव हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए।
बिल्कुल। कैक पाई क्राइमा is a short musical film which was the part of exhibition which depicts lives of Indian diaspora in Thailand. हमारे जो ancestors थे कब आए वहाँ, मतलब जब पाकिस्तान बना था, और वो लोग मूव करके आए कितने साल, 100 साल पहले जब आए, और क्या क्या उनका यहाँ पे रोल था, क्या किया उन्होंने, कैसे ऑक्यूपेशन थी उनकी, खान पान कैसे उन्होंने कैसे एडजस्ट किया अलग देश में आकर। तो वो पूरी हिस्ट्री उन्होंने दिखाई थी। ये फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर हैं मिस्टर नाविन रावन शाइकुन। One fine day I was how did it come to me? Now I'll tell you. Again, this is really exciting. I was doing a recording in the studio and just got a call, and he said, okay, I saw your profile, and I came to know that you have done a film already, Ponchak Fa, and I would like you to sing for this film. I said, absolutely, yes, that would be my honor. और तब तक तो बात हुई थी कि प्लेबैक सिंगिंग करूंगी। फिर जब उन्होंने मेरा देखा, मीटिंग हुई, तो बोले नहीं, आप एक्ट भी करेंगे, एंड ही ऑफर्ड मी अ लीड रोल इन द फिल्म एज वेल। तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग था मेरे लिए। अरे मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, आई वाज लाइक half hearted, but okay, let's try again, because I like challenges and I don't want to step back. Whatever comes, I face it and I go forward. I never look back. And वो उसका गाना था बहुत ही पॉपुलर अपना हिंदी बॉलीवुड का, हे नीले गगन के तले धरती का प्यार पले, है ना ये वाला गाना।
yes,
क्योंकि जब मैं बचपन में थी, मेरा चाइल्डहुड डेज में, तो मैं स्कूल जाती, थाई स्कूल ऑफ कोर्स जाती थी, तो वी लुक वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द थाईज, एंड वो हम लोग को देख के ऐसे टीज करते हैं, ऐसे हम लोग को देख के टीज करते थे, sometimes we got bullied also. अरे why is she looking different than us, उनको समझ नहीं था. And so this song is like something that if they see any Indian around, they will start singing to us. तो ये था, हाँ ऐसा था, मतलब and then I sang a Thai version of this Hindi song.
Okay.
Rồi you can manom nan kale, la you can pai mi kere, long mong thang non si, long ma thang ni si, mi tai phuk rao mai khai rang hang he, khet pai khai ma pha kan ha he, la you can pai mi kere, something like that. And it was very interesting to do. The experience was very new and exciting. But was it difficult for me? Not really, because it involved music. So it was easy for me, behind the camera. And I've done my music video before for The Sound of Sufi. And, I got familiar and, got used to. So it was easy because music tha usme. So it was fun and exciting.
What a story of encouragement and inspiration, Aruni. Because for you, it's a cakewalk. But trust me, especially in my zone, which is higher education, I've come across many youths, I would say, who come to us for skilling, who are not able to even introduce themselves for a minute in front of a crowd. So I think you're sharing your life journey is such a motivation for so many who will be listening to this right now. Tell us about your journey from singing to acting. What shall be your message to the youth now, coming down from the same point, who want to pursue singing and acting? There are many I see who have an inbuilt skill in them, okay? And India being the highest populated country has a lot of skill, but very few pursue that skill, or they are apprehensive of or they are fearful, or they don't know what to approach, how to go about it. What are your challenge? What are the challenges they must be ready to improve upon? And also, what can we expect next from Aruni in terms of singing and acting?
My message to the youth will be work hard. आपको रियाज बिल्कुल रेगुलरली करना है, छोड़ना नहीं है, डिसिप्लिन चाहिए. और if you want to start, you know what you want in life, start doing it. Follow your dreams, chase your dreams, and make it happen. Work hard. Number one, riyaz, vocal. Practice makes you perfect. So that is a must, number one.
Right.
And I would say कि हर फील्ड में, not only this musical field, हर फील्ड में competition होता है, you know. So you should never give up. अभी आप, you fall this time, you fail this time, rise and do again. Do it again, move forward. Don't give up, never give up. Sometimes, you know, you never know कब chance लग जाए, कब हो जाए.
Right.
Never give up on that. And third thing is गुरुओं का सम्मान करना. Respect your gurus, because their words, their blessings will take you much further in life. 3 things I would say to the youth. Yeah.
Absolutely. And now please break the suspense. I can't keep it any longer with me. What do we expect next from Aruni in terms of singing and acting?
Yes,
Absolutely. Actually, मैंने बहुत ही सारे tracks record करके रखे हैं. गजल का एक track है. 2 मुझे वो शब्द गुरबानी करना है. But you know, because due to this pandemic thing, and you know, it got on hold, and you know, बस shoot करने का बाकी है, उसका music shoot, video shoot करना है, and it'll be out soon for you.
Okay. We're looking forward to it, Aruni.
Yes. Me too.
Yes. Varsha?
आरुणि जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैं आपको मतलब आपसे गीत सुनने का इतना मन कर रहा है कि लग रहा है कि अभी बस सब गीत ही गीत चलते रहे आपके. इतनी प्यारी गजल और इतने प्यारे गीत, थाई, हिंदी. तो अब मैं आपसे अगेन एक बार रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप अपना पसंदीदा, जो आपको सबसे पसंद है गीत, गजल जो है वो सुनाएं, और उसके साथ ही आपको ये भी बताना है कि ये गीत आप पे पसंद क्यों है. इसके साथ एक क्वेश्चन और, कि क्या आपको लगता है कि कोविड, जैसे अभी कोविड है और वैसे भी लाइफ में कभी भी टफ टाइम आते हैं, तो संगीत हमारे लिए जरूरी है, हमें चीयर अप करने के लिए, नेगेटिविटी से दूर करने के लिए? प्लीज.
अच्छा, आपका जो पहला प्रश्न था, सबसे फेवरेट गीत, बहुत ही टफ क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि सभी मेरे फेवरेट हैं. क्या बताऊं, क्या सुनाऊं, सभी फेवरेट है. बट हाँ, एक गीत मैं आपको सुना सकती हूँ. फेवरेट इसलिए है क्योंकि इट टेक्स मी बैक टू माय चाइल्डहुड डेज, इस करके. बाकी नो ऑफेंस, सारे गीत मुझे पसंद है, सब गजल भी पसंद है, हाई सॉन्ग्स बहुत पसंद है मुझे, और बट ये एक खास गीत है जो मुझे वापस उसी दौर में लेके जाता है, तो वो पेश करती हूँ. या मनीषा, आप जी जरूर जानते होंगे, ये गीत जरूर सुना होगा. चरखा मेरा रंगला, चरखा मेरा रंगला, विच सोने दिया मेखां. चरखा मेरा रंगला, विच सोने दिया मेखां. वे मैं तैनू याद करां, जद चरखे वल वेखां. वे मैं तैनू याद करां, जद चरखे वल वेखां. चरखे दे शीशे आगे दिसे तेरा मुख वे, वेख वेख मिट दिना अखियां दी भुख वे, अखियां दी भुख वे. सीने विच ने रड़क दियां, सीने विच ने रड़क दियां, ए चरखे दियां मेखां. सीने विच ने रड़क दियां, ए चरखे दियां मेखां. वे मैं तैनू याद करां, जद चरखे वल वेखां. वे मैं तैनू याद करां जद चरखे वल वेखां.
It's a very old and a famous folk
Yes,
song.
yes, चित्रा सिंह जी
Aruni.
ने गाई है और इतना खूबसूरत गाया उन्होंने, मेरे
Yes, yes,
one of my favorites. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
जी. और आपका जो प्रश्न था वर्षा जी कि
Absolutely.
during this pandemic, you know how music helped us. Of course, definitely 100% helps. Music is a therapy, in fact. और इस कोविड के टाइम में मैं तो विटामिन एम कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ. विटामिन एम.
That's me, Aruni.
विटामिन एम के साथ साथ पता नहीं इंडिया में मिलता है कि नहीं है चॉकलेट M&M. यहाँ पे चॉकलेट M&M बहुत मशहूर है. M&M इसलिए कि एक म्यूजिक है और एक मेडिटेशन है. वो जो हमको करना ही चाहिए इस दौर में, इस मुश्किल टाइम में हमको म्यूजिक एंड मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए. अच्छा, तो बाय द वे आपने वो पूछा कि म्यूजिक कैसे थेरेपी है. लास्ट ईयर व्हेन यू नो दिस all this things started, covid things started, and you know lockdown हुआ और सब लोग कवर सॉन्ग बनाने लगे कोविड के ऊपर, है ना. तो मैंने भी एक यू नो जस्ट फॉर फन कोशिश की है. एक कभी अलविदा फिल्म का गाना है, वो शंकर एहसान लॉय जी का म्यूजिक है. तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा कोरोना हर जगह चर्चा, दूर से एक दूसरे को कर प्रणाम, हाथ ना मिलाना, तभी अलविदा होगा कोरोना, तभी अलविदा होगा कोरोना, तभी अलविदा होगा कोरोना.
Wow.
So this was the cover song which I made and it was posted on my Facebook page, social media, Instagram पे. और बहुत love मिला उसको, बहुत पसंद किया गया. It speaks, it you know, it speaks everything in itself. आपको social distancing रखना है, तो बस we should follow these protocols. So yeah,
Right.
let's
Absolutely.
fight it.
Absolutely.
It shall pass.
Absolutely. These times will be over soon, Aruni. And you very rightly said that music and meditation is a must for anyone to come out of it. And I would say any creative pursuit. So if one likes painting, singing, dancing, music, you know, they are a therapy themselves. Now, Aruni, we are on a women power platform, right? And you are such a fantabulous women power that we have on our show today. What is your message, especially for women? You know, there are many who are very, very talented, Aruni, but they never have the courage to follow their dreams. How important do you think is the role of the family and the society in instilling courage in women? This is the first question that I have for you. And the second is, and how will you support this movement, Women Power, in Thailand?
Sure. First of all, मैं आज जो भी हूँ, जहाँ जिस मकाम में पहुँची हूँ, of course, my parents' blessings, मेरे बड़ों का आशीर्वाद, गुरुओं का आशीर्वाद, and thanks to my supportive husband. Without his support, I wouldn't be able to do all the things which I love to and you know who I am right now. So kudos to him, my husband. And yes, to all the women who want to pursue their dreams but can never, or like due to whatever circumstances, I would say that it's never too late to start. Look at me as an example. I started, you know, doing my career after my children grew up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, you know, तब से तो मैं शौक से गाती थी, सोचा भी नहीं था कुछ करूं, तो फिर, you know, ऐसे ऐसे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कर करके, हाँ, I can do it. So it's never too late to start anything in your life. Right? Stand up for yourself, and the power is in you. You have to get it out and do it. Follow your dreams.
Right.
Yeah, and this is a message to not only women, to men also, that women should be treated equally in every aspect. So now where is this idea of equality comes from? This idea of equality comes from the very essence of who we are. Inside us resides that divine light, or whatever, God, or whatever, the oneness. हर क्रिएशन, उसके क्रिएशन में, नेचर में, ह्यूमंस में, जानवरों में, हर चीज में भगवान है. एंड गॉड इज जेंडर न्यूट्रल, ही इज जेंडरलेस. So you have no right to say that I'm superior than you, you are lower than me. कोई भी नहीं, हम लोग सब इक्वल हैं. भगवान ने अगर if he created a man, he would have stopped there if it wasn't necessary for him to create a woman. Why?
Absolutely, absolutely.
There is a purpose to balance it out.
Yes.
We are complementing each other. So कोई superior नहीं है, कोई lower नहीं, कोई ऊंचा नहीं है. और हमारी Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikh religion, says in the Gurbani that so क्यों मंदा आखिए जित जम्मे राजान. Why call her inferior? From her the kings are born.
Right.
Isn't it? So you have no right to go against it. And if one has to adopt, if one has to go on the spiritual path, spiritual journey, you have to adopt the feminine qualities in you. What are those qualities? वो है प्यार, प्रेम, love, kindness, compassion. ये सब आपको करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि kindness is parent of the religion. So,
Right.
so even if you are a man, you have to adopt these feminine qualities in you in order to reach the spiritual path. So nobody is higher, nobody is lower. We all are equal. And how to instill the courage? How do I help the women empowerment in Thailand? Not only in Thailand, I would say, okay, it doesn't start. It doesn't change overnight. Everything doesn't change overnight. You have to start from a small step.
Absolutely right.
Now, I teach my son to respect women. And if I teach my son, if I have instilled these values in him, when he grows up, he teaches his children. Then his children will go on teaching their children. And that's how it will change. The conception of this will change. The differences will be gone. So,
Absolutely.
if everyone start looking at women equally, then that's how it changes.
Right, right. Now, if we could invite the super woman power on the show, Mr. D.K. Bakshi, if we can have you for a vote of thanks, please.
Yes, I am shifting it. Just a minute.
Aruni, while we wait for Mr. D.K. Bakshi, can we have a little song from you?
Oh, yes.
I am so much in awe of listening to you.
दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए. दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए. बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए. दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए.
अरुणी, आप गाना गा के जान ले रही हैं. my heart rate is going up listening to you, right? It should be the other way around, right? Female to female, the heartbeat going up. Just
अंतरा सुनिए, ये खास मैसेज है. कहिए तो आसमां जमी पर उतार लाए। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। तो ये वाला जो अंतरा है ना, इट यू नो इट इट इज सो क्लियर। कहिए तो आसमां से पे जमीन पर चांद उतार लाएं। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। तो दिस इज टू ऑल द women आउट देयर। कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, अगर आप ठान लें कि आपको करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं। नेवर गिव अप।
Absolutely right.
जी, तो अब हमारे डॉक्टर बख्शी कहाँ हैं?
He's there.
ओके, सवादिका।
Honorary woman.
Yes.
Arun ji, I don't know.
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार सर जी। इट्स अ
नमस्कार।
प्लेजर टू मीट यू।
Yeah. Arun, in fact, I don't know, I have no words to express my gratitude for this wonderful show, wherein you sung so many songs, and you know, Kun Arif, Kun Deepak, Kun Ravi Saigal, Kun Fool, Devendra Fool, Kun Renu from Indian Association, everybody is watching you. And on the top of it, Bobby Rishi, your guru, is watching you. He was asking for songs that you sang. Aurora ji is watching you. So all the people are watching you right now when you came on this Women Power show. And see, I am into...
Yes, your collar is up right now.
I am into Indian Association of Thailand, and I am into my Thai T-shirt.
Yes. I must say that आप हमारे IIT Indian Association of Thailand की जान और शान हैं। जब आप आते हैं, I must tell the audience here that I and my Rapta group, me and myself and my guru Bobby Rishi ji, and another co-singer of ours is Mr. Rakesh Sharma ji, who is so melodious. हम तीनों एक बैंड फॉर्म किया है, राप्ता ब्रांड, और हम हर साल वहाँ IIT के एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे पे परफॉर्म करते हैं। और जब सर आते हैं ना, बख्शी सर आते, तो मतलब इतना पावर लेके आते हैं उस शो में कि मतलब एकदम सब उठ जाते हैं कि I've got the power, you got the power, we've got the power. इतनी एनर्जी आप लाते हैं कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती। And you really, आप तो पावर है हम सब के लिए, सच में।
Arun ji, आपकी story सुन के मेरे को I got really emotional in the beginning when you shared about that when you were 12, 13-year-old, you lost your father. Now look at me, when I was at 12 when I lost my father. This women power is because of my mom. And we lost her only 2 years back. And she was the biggest women power. And those people who lose their parents like this, वो कुछ ना कुछ करके रखते हैं. And they become stars, and you are our star, and you are our Nightingale of Thailand. आप अगर देखेंगे, everybody is commenting about you, whether it is Kun Arif or it is Kun Aurora or Devendra ji or Kun Renu, हमारी women power है, उनको भी शो पे आना है Indian Association of Thailand की. वो women group हमने बनाया है, 2 group बनाए थे मैंने, एक women group और young Kun Nekon, young
very dear friend of mine, Renu Bhatia.
Yeah, Kun Nekon, again a very bright guy.
Is a gem of a person.
Gem of a person. So Deepak अभी कुछ कह रहा है, बहुत खूब, excellent, wow.
अरे वाह, thank you.
आपके अरोरा जी कमेंट कर रहे हैं, आपके बॉबी ऋषि देख रहे हैं। तो मेरा ये कहने का मतलब था कि आपने बड़ी स्ट्रगल की है, पर उसके बाद आपने और आपकी मम्मी का एक ड्रीम था, और उसके बाद कैसे आपने अपने आप को you made yourself a proud of our community in Thailand. I mean, for me, it's personally, and that's the love, that's the respect for your talent. When you are on our sports day, तो हम तो पागल हो जाते हैं उस दिन, you know, such a large crowd in Chulalongkorn Stadium. हम करते क्या पूरे दिन? वो सवेरे वाला जो शो होता है, एम्बेसडर्स कितने होते हैं हमारे सामने, इंडियन एम्बेसडर होती है, नेपाल के, बांग्लादेश के, श्रीलंका के, एंड फिर आप वो शो करते हैं और उस शो पे आप इतना इतना प्यार से आपके ग्रुप के साथ हमारे एक बहुत power देते हैं. That, and I do that exercise. You got the power, I got the power, you got the power. Hey, we are Thai Indians. And I feel proud to be a Thai Indian. I am born in Thailand. I came to Thailand in 2003 and the love still. Right now I am in India. एक मिनट मेरे को थाईलैंड का पता रहता है, सबके साथ मेरी बातचीत है, कब मैं आऊंगा. But I'm actually dying to come to Thailand. Frankly, जिस दिन फ्लाइट आएगी ना उस दिन मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा.
We're dying to see you. We're dying to have you here.
Yeah. So with your background, with your support, and especially when you said follow your dreams, and I remembered one thing which you said: don't give up.
Yes.
Rise. Do it again. To fall is not a failure. And one word you said: respect your gurus.
Absolutely. गुरुओं का सम्मान
आज भी
बहुत जरूरी है.
मैं आज भी पद्मश्री प्रीतम सिंह हमारे इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे, कोविड में उनकी डेथ हो गई. I feel him around. किरण बेदी जी मेरी गुरु है. I am every day in touch, morning, every day in touch. Kun Dabransi, मेरे ex-deputy prime minister of Thailand, he has been my mentor. I am in touch. Sunil Shastri has been mentor. I have been in touch. So मैं कभी अपने गुरु को अपने दिल और दिमाग से दूर नहीं करता. और ये एक बहुत अच्छी लर्निंग आप दी कि respect your gurus. And that is a very, very great message. Never give up, rise and do again, and never ever disrespect your gurus, and respect your gurus. And that is where you will go along with. The day you disrespect gurus, ऊपर वाला तो देखता है ना, वो आगे बढ़ते नहीं है. उनके तो
very moment you fall.
That is the very moment you fall. So having said that, when you एक आपके ये जो मिक्स है थाई और इंडियन का गाना, ये एक बड़ा पावरफुल गाना आपने तैयार किया है. एंड मनीषा, आई वांट टू टेल यू, you know, इनकी ऑरा, इनकी पर्सनालिटी जब ये आते हैं, एक हमारी पूरी कम्युनिटी है हमारी, एंड इट्स अ मिक्स. देयर इज Muslims also, there is Sikh, both Namdaris as well as Devendra Phool as well as SS Phool is watching you, by the way. And Devendra ji are regular aati hai. Kun Phool Sawadi Khab, Devendra ji Sawadi Khab. तो ये सब चाहे नामदारी सरदार हो, चाहे अदर सिक्स हो, you know, हमारी सिंधी एसोसिएशन हो, गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, बंगाली, आप कोई भी एसोसिएशन ले लो, उसमें इनका बहुत इज्जत. सत्य साई बाबा फाउंडेशन हमारी दीपा चलाती है, दीपा एंड मनोज चलाते हैं. तो हमारी कम से कम 28 एसोसिएशन है थाईलैंड में. और ये नाइटिंगेल नाम ऐसे ही नहीं है, नाइटिंगेल
ये सब आपका प्यार है. I'm honored. ये आपका प्यार है सर.
आप बहुत दूर जाएंगे और मैंने आपको एक कमिटमेंट दिया है. टुडे ऑन दिस लाइव शो आई गिव यू अ कमिटमेंट अगेन. कोविड ने हमें वो कमिटमेंट से रोक दिया, बट कोविड कब तक, आपने बोला ना वो आज क्या वो कोविड का गाना, कभी अलविदा नहीं कहना. आई लाइक दैट. वो मेरे को भेज देना यूट्यूब, मैं उसको जरा भेज दूंगा हर एक जगह, बॉलीवुड में भी भेज दूंगा. तो कभी अलविदा नहीं कहना. इट इज अ वेरी पावरफुल सॉन्ग. सो आई हैव कमिटेड टू यू दैट वी विल डू राब्ता का एक अच्छा शो हम इंडिया में करेंगे.
अरे वाह,
जल्द से जल्द हम सब लोग इस प्रेजेंट त्राप्ति से बाहर आ जाए, एंड वी वुड लाइक टू डू दैट. आज हमारे वीमेन पावर में एक बहुत बड़ी घटना घटी हुई है, जिसका मैं अभी आजकल पिछले एक हफ्ते से बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सपोर्ट करने की. वो है मेरी अफगान की वीमेन पावर. अभी भी वाइल शो वाज गोइंग ऑन, रबिया वाज ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान, लिटरली क्राइंग. एंड उसका भी चिट्ठी बना के हम भेज रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट दीज वीमेन to India, at least support them and help them, because they are in a lot of pain. And when we look at these women, they're really simple, down to earth, and they really respect Indians. Especially personally, मेरा उनके साथ बहुत strong रिश्ता है. Now on the live show, I would like to inform that some of these women have died. Tomorrow is Rakhi. Have died Rakhis to me while I was in Afghanistan. Achan in Narula है ना, वो भी साथ में थे हमारे वहाँ पे अफगानिस्तान में. हाँ. तो ये हमारा रहा है. मैं ये गाना, ये जो आप एक गाना आपने कि तू मेरा जहां मेरा खुदा है, तू ही मेरा, तू तुझ में हूँ मैं और मुझ में हूँ तू, खुद को, ये गाना जरा एक बार दोबारा.
जरूर. तू मेरा जहां मेरा खुदा है, तू मेरा जहां मेरा खुदा है, तू मेरी मंजिल मेरा पता है, तू मेरा जहां मेरा खुदा है, तू मेरा जहां मेरा पता है, तू मुझ में हूँ मैं और तुझ में है तू, तुझ में हूँ मैं और मुझ में है तू, खुद को खोकर तुझको पाऊं, मुझ में रचा है तू, कैसी रचाई दुनिया, सुबह तू शाम तू मेरी मंजिल मेरा पता है, तू मेरा जहां मेरा पता है, तू.
Wow.
Thank you.
I have no words to express my gratitude. Powerful song.
Honor
जी, बड़ा अच्छा शो रहा आपका. Ladies and gentlemen around the world, this was Aruni Baga, the Nightingale of Thailand, pride of our Indian community, Thai Indian community in Thailand. On this hashtag Women Power, a global movement show, which has become very powerful show around the world. And she is known, she is our family member in the Thai Indian community, and she is always available for us. You must watch her YouTube. This YouTube will also be available in next half an hour, 45 minutes, and we must share this YouTube with the world. Let the world know that there is someone very talented available in the city of land of smiles, Thailand, Bangkok. Yes, and जाते जाते ये पूछना चाहूंगा, हमारी जो ये मूवमेंट है, ऑलरेडी मनीषा जी ने आपसे बोला है, इस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा आपको थाईलैंड.
जी बिल्कुल.
बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, एनजी जुड़ी हुई है, रानी जी जुड़ी हुई है, डॉक्टर रानी जुड़ी हुई है, बीना होरा जी जुड़ी हुई है, रेनू हमारी पावरफुल वीमेन पावर फ्रॉम इंडियन एसोसिएशन जुड़ी हुई है. आपको इसको आगे लेना पड़ेगा, वो एक कमिटमेंट है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हम सब करेंगे. बस रेनू भाटिया को पकड़ती हूँ और हम करेंगे. Absolutely, we will do something, sir.
मैडम सुचित्रा दुराई अपनी एम्बेसडर साहब भी जुड़े हुए हैं.
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार.
चलिए, wish you all the best and good luck from my side.
Thank you.
A great thank you to Aruni Baga for being part of hashtag Women Power, a global movement, and God bless this Nightingale.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me on this platform. It's such a wonderful show. I enjoyed so much singing and sharing my journey with Manisha ji and Varsha ji as well. And you are the power. Really, you are our power. Thank you once again for having me on this show, sir. Thank you so
Manisha,
much.
close it then.
सभी दर्शकों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्यार और नमस्कार. Thanks for joining and listening to my
Thank you
talk.
so much,
Thank you.
Aruni. You were
Yes.
saying something, DK, sir?
I said now you can close this from my side. I am
Yes,
really
yes.
grateful to her. She
Yes,
got the
yes.
power.
Thank you so
She
much
shared
once
the
again,
power.
Aruni.
She won the power. She won the hearts.
Thank
Oh,
you,
yes,
sir. Thank you.
absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you. Love you all very much. Love you, sir.
Love you too, Aruni. Thank you so much, and best wishes. We look forward to the next album of yours.
Absolutely. Good luck to you too. Take care and stay
Yes,
safe.
yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Namaskar.
Shubhratri.
Shubh Ratri ji.